Welcome back to U.UArtsy's Creativity Space, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Statue of Liberty. So I hope you're going to follow along with me. Make sure you grab your art supplies before we begin. You're going to need a pencil for tracing the picture, and a pen for outlining, paper or notebook, or something to color with. So you're going to need some color pencils for instance. With that being said, let's get started. So to start off drawing the Statue of Liberty, we're going to begin with the face. So we're going to draw a curve for the face and go back up. And starting right here in the middle, let's make a line that comes down on this side. And same thing over here. It doesn't look exactly the same, but that's fine. At least all of you are having fun with this drawing, so make sure to have fun with it, and it doesn't matter if it's right or wrong. Anyway, you're going to draw the curve for the top of the head and bring it back down. And then right at the left hand corner, you're going to draw the wiggles for her hair, and same thing over here, just two wavy lines. Right here, we're going to draw a little line that is the starting point for the crown. And now we're going to be drawing a curved line and stop over here. Then I'll make some pointed triangles on each side, so we're making her a crown, for instance. And the same thing over here. I was just wondering, it has there's 5 triangles, so I'm going to make 5. So starting here, you're going to draw 2 lines in the middle and a curved line at the bottom. So starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that comes up saying that the Statue of Liberty is holding the torch. And right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down. And it looks something like that. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down and then curve it over here. So we're going to make an outfit for the Statue of Liberty. And from here, we're going to draw a line that comes down over here. And then we're going to make a little line that comes down and connects right here. And starting from here, we're going to make another little line that comes up and then right here. So starting at the right hand corner, I'm going to make a little oval shape for the hand. And then we're going to draw a rectangle for the book. And then we'll finish off the hair. And draw the curve right here. So at the left hand corner again, this time we're going to be drawing a little oval that achieves a representation of holding something. We all know that the Statue of Liberty is holding the torch, so I'm going to draw a line that goes up, then all the way back here. And then we're going to draw a rectangle that forms over on that side. And now we're going to draw a curve to finish off the hand. Now we're going to be drawing a flame for the torch. So we're going to do 2 triangles over there, and one that's thick, and the one and connected. So now we're going to draw the stand for the Statue of Liberty. We're going to be drawing a rectangle, something like that, and draw a straight line, and then over here. Now we're going to be drawing another rectangle. Go a straight line, and then connect it. Now we're going to be drawing a little line that goes here, and then it connects the start of the arm. Now we're going to draw 2 lines for the dress's extra detail. And same thing on the left-hand corner. So I'm drawing those lines to give extra detail to the dress. And now let's bring the Statue of Liberty to life. So I'm going to make a cartoon version for the beginner version. So we're going to draw 2 circles for the eyes. And draw 2 smaller circles for the pupils. And then we're going to draw a nose. And now we're going to go to a straight line and curve and draw a tongue for the mouth. Now we're going to draw 2 eyebrows on the left and right. And I'll draw a little curve for the ears, almost like a half circle. And right along the top of the crown, we're going to be drawing a little tiny sad faces. Starting from here and here. So there you have it. We have the Statue of Liberty that is drawn by the beginners. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. So if you want to, you can always pause the video. Let me know if you have extra time on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.